Let me take y'all through a day of me being a private chef. OMG. Look, this girl hit me up on YouTube, right? Look, y'all see it right there.
Oh, that cheese drip. Go ahead, you can put it in. I got you.
Damn it, Flacco, you did your thing on this one.
I appreciate it.
Now, everything right here, you'll think is going great, right? Because, I mean, look, the food was good. Look, she said I did my thing. Look, she licking her fingers and all that, right? It's crazy. Literally, she's going ham. OMG.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
who is this girl? I don't know, but
yeah.
I got on. She hit me up on YouTube, and look,
Oh my
cheese pulled, like the pasta was fire. She was enjoying everything.
Book me, y'all see what's going on.
I cooked the pasta to perfection. Everything was good. Her and her man was loving it. Finger looking good. I'm not even gonna lie. I said one thing about Georgia people and New York people, and she went crazy. Look, she dumping on her man, eating the food, licking. She's going crazy, man. She loving the food.
Yeah, let Bae taste it. What's up, Bae? How it's going? Chef kiss?
I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was a good vibe, but it really was not, y'all. It was not a good vibe. She started telling me how she sold coke and crack and all that, and how she was in the streets, and that's when I was like, oh man, did I get the right booking or not? She looked like she was having a good time, but I guess she got too drunk, and she was just babbling. Even her man was fed up with her. Like, he didn't, like, they don't even live together. That's how I know she's toxic, because how you and your man got separate cribs. But, like, yo, besides that, like, man, you 38 years old. He's 68. Man, what the hell's going on? And she is just toxic as hell.
No, dead ass.
Remember me like this. Y'all see the cheese pull, like, stop playing with it. Y'all see it, like, stop playing with it.
Trying to make a meal, man. You got
Shorty was just discombobulated the whole night. But end of the story, she pulled a knife out on me. And she was telling me get out her crib after I made her this great dish. And, like, what the hell? I don't know if I'm going to do a booking off YouTube anymore, because this was, like, my first booking off YouTube, and it's like, yo, this is a bad experience. Like, this girl is crazy. She's a lunatic. I would never in my life ever serve her again.
You can make that.
No, you can't make shit. Don't say my saying. But I'm gonna show you how I made this great food. And look, if you ever bump into this girl, Jennifer, run. She's crazy. She's psycho. She's a lunatic, bro. Even her man don't want to live with her. Like, how y'all both live in different cribs and y'all together for 11 years? That tells me something about you, shorty. You're crazy. You're a lunatic. Like, get yourself together. Don't try to book me and you paid me and you tipped me. Like, so it ain't me. My food good. You're just crazy. You just a lunatic. And you got mad drunk and you don't know what the hell is going on. And your man, yeah, he don't want you. That man is hitting mad girls because he know you crazy. That's why he don't live with you. And I wouldn't live with you either. You're crazy. You're psycho. You're a lunatic. You need help. You need counseling. Real talk. Like, don't ever book me again, Jennifer, Jenny, or whatever they call you, man. You need some help. You need therapy, man. And look, I would never, ever in my life, I don't think I'll ever take another booking off YouTube, like how I did. Like, you gotta really go through my email and all that.